In this video, I'm going to show you how to wire up your brand new dryer. So when you buy a brand new dryer, it's going to come in pieces. It's not going to be wired up. So when you get a brand new dryer, you're either going to have to pay somebody to wire it up or you can do it yourself. This takes 10 minutes. It's very easy and it's safe if you follow these steps. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to do it. The model I have is a GE baseline dryer. This is a very reliable dryer. I love these. We use them in all of our units. The electric panel for the wires is going to be on the bottom right on the back side. And what you need to do first is remove this bolt. So I just use needle nose pliers and it comes right off. So this is what it's going to look like. You can see that there are 3 main wires and you can see that there's a bronze tab with a ground right here. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna see that the bottom part of it has 4 wires, black, red, green, and white. The black and the red are your live hot wires. The white is going to be your neutral line, and the green is your ground. So each wire does a different job, and it's important to know what wire does what so that you can connect it correctly. So what we're gonna do is black will go on black, red goes on red, the white will go on the yellow, and the green will go on the green. So our first step though is, you don't want to forget this step, it's important. You want to feed your wires through here. So you don't want to make a mistake I've made in the past, which is you get everything connected only to realize, I forgot to put it through the hole. So put that through first. And then the next thing you want to do is pull out all these screws right here. And we're going to pull out this metal tab and just trash it. We don't want our neutral connected to our ground, so we're going to pull that out. Okay, the next step is we're going to connect our red. Just going to kind of work our way down. So I'll get the red connected in. Make sure it's nice and tight, but you don't have to go Incredible Hulk mode on it either. You don't need to strip things. And then I pushed this extra wire through so that I could have the green reach over here. And now I'm going to tighten that in. So this is connecting my ground wire. Connect this nice and tight. Okay, so now I have everything on nice and tight. Next step, I'm going to put these wire brackets on, and they're kind of tricky if it's the first time you've done them. So you want to position this like that. Feed the half circle through, and it'll sit like that. Grab your next one and put it in like that. So from this end, it looks like this. From the inside, it looks like that. And what you're going to do is your screws are going to tighten this up. This will help immobilize the wire so that nothing gets pulled as the machine gets moved and yanked around. So it's a very important safety component to prevent any wires from coming out or shorting or getting too loose. Use 2 hands for this. Okay, and that is complete. You can see that I tightened those bolts down all the way, and you can see from the outside, this is what the input of the wire looks like. So again, this is just going to prevent it from pulling out. Notice if I pull, it stops it from pulling any pressure on these wires. All right, at this point, we're ready to put the cover back on. Sometimes you gotta really push on it because these copper wires are stiff, so you can reshape them by putting some pressure on this and then get that screw back in there. Okay, I use my needle nose pliers to twist this tight again, and my plate is on there. Everything is nice and secure, so now I'm ready to plug this in. Okay, got it plugged into the 240 volt. That's wired up together. Now we'll just make sure we have power. It's on, and it has power. Perfect. Next step, all I need to do is connect this so that the air blows through my bit. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your project.